this video, we're looking at Quorum Sensing. Quorum Sensing is a bacterial system that allows bacteria to adjust their gene expression and their way to live according to how many other bacteria that surrounds it. Now let's take a look at how the bacteria can sense how many other bacteria are surrounding it. In this example, we're following the orange bacteria in the middle. The bacteria sends out molecules called autoinducers, and the amount of autoinducers in the environment is what affects the bacteria's gene expression. And so here we can see that when there's a lot of autoinducers, the bacteria turn yellow. But let's take a look at what happens when there's a lot fewer bacteria. Then the amount of autoinducers that are in the surrounding are not enough to turn the bacteria fully yellow. So instead, all the bacteria turn orange. Let's take a closer look at how the bacteria responds to autoinducers. The autoinducers in the environment bind to autoinducer receptors, but in this case, it's only one autoinducer, so it's not enough to cause a response. But when there's more that binds to the autoinducer receptors, then we see that the bacteria turn orange again. But Quorum Sensing doesn't control the color of the bacteria. Instead, it controls functions such as bacterial competence, which is the process of bacteria taking up DNA from the environment. It also affects antibiotic production, biofilm formation, and the production of virulence factors. Finally, let's take a look at a real example of a bacteria using Quorum Sensing. This is a Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, and when other Staphylococcus aureus surrounds it, then there's a lot of autoinducers in the environment that bind to the autoinducer receptors on the bacteria, and this makes the bacteria produce adhesion molecules, and thereby promoting biofilm formation. And why this is so smart is because if the bacteria were to produce adhesion molecules when there are no other bacteria around in response to its own production of autoinducers, then this production would just be a waste of energy.
Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe.